Hey, welcome back. We're going to talk about how to export the content into the actual website. Okay, so you should now know how to uh, generally how to handle how to handle Cornerstone. That was very hard to say. You should try saying that. How to handle Cornerstone, and basically now it's just a copy and paste situation. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to we're going to open up a new website here. We're going to paste in some different information. I know we were just working on a landscaping website, but now we're actually going to do something else. So if you're on a PC, I can't help you here. You're going to have to Google this, but if you're on a Mac, go ahead and split screen. Okay, so we want, just kind of like we did with the Google Keep and the development of the content, figure out a way to dual screen it. So, because we're going to be copying and pasting, we want to have both right there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and dual screen right there, and I want this one. Okay, so go ahead. What I have is so whatever website that you're wanting to upload the content to, pull that up over here, and pull up your content that's in Google Docs over here. Okay, so I have the home page. I'm already logged in, so I can go ahead and go up here to edit with Cornerstone. I'm going to start with the home page. This is super straightforward. This is going to be a pretty short video because of how stinking straightforward it is. You're literally going to go through the site and you're going to copy and paste. Kansas City Pool Cleaning Company. Call today for an instant quote. I'm literally just going straight on down the line. So this outline was specifically created to fit the design of this layout. Okay, so top rated pool cleaners, and we're gonna click inside there. Okay, woof, something got messed up. This will be fixed whenever you're editing. Line height, we got some CSS down here. That's how we've got some challenges going on here. Okay, so that's way too big. We want to be like too small. If that ever happens, you guys should know how to fix this. You see what I did there? So there was a code that was telling the line height to be a certain width in pixels. So I took that out and I increased the size. Okay. All right. So let's get back to it. So first section, content. Notice that this bold city name, that should be Overland Park Pool Cleaners. This didn't get written right. So what I want to do is that, and then I'm going to reword that a little bit when I pull this in. Okay, so do right there. I need to paste that into the visual. Okay, so there's a big difference there between text and visual. Make sure you're pasting into the visual when you're pasting from here, so we get the visual will automatically paste in the format. So if I redo this, Command A, Command V, it's going to bold that out for me. Okay, see how that happens? If we edit inside the text, this is actually going to be our HTML. Okay, so this needs to be quite a bit bigger. So I'm actually gonna fix this, and this again will be fixed whenever we do this, or whenever you're filling this out. So don't worry about it too much. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix that here. If you do ever need to know this code for any reason, it's just font dash size colon 20 pixels, 20 px semicolon. Okay, that's the style where I'm actually writing custom CSS. That's what that is. Very basic custom CSS. Okay, so I'm just going to go on down the line. We're just going to do content right now. I'm going to show you how to do images in another video. So we're going to go on down the line. As you can tell, this is a different setup because of its responsive design. So if I pull this all the way over here, see how this is actually going to now go on the two different columns? See that? Okay, so if I roll back over, that goes back to one column. See? And it actually really doesn't matter right now. We're going to fix design at the very end. Right now, we just want that content in there. Okay, description of service 1. We would grab this, copy it over. Okay. So yeah, you'd basically go all the way through there, get the home page finished. Okay, and then hit save. And then we go back up to here. The best way to go from page to page, listen up. So the best way to go from page to page, you see like in this down in this right hand corner, watch what happens when I hover over this. Okay, that's going to go /about/. The best way, instead of having to click on this and then edit with Cornerstone, go up to your URL, right past the forward slash, type in about, and then type in another forward slash. You type in the URL, so services, you type in services right there. Contact, you type in contact. And now if I just press enter, it's going to take me on right into Cornerstone without having to, I basically bypass having to pull the page up and then edit with Cornerstone. Make sense? Okay, so I'd be down here into the about page, and I would literally be pasting that over. Okay, right there. Call today for an instant quote, and I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did on the home page. And I'm just pasting all this information in, okay? So that pretty much does it. I'm going to wrap this up. We're going to talk about getting all these images in another video, so that'll really bring the site to life. But this is just specifically covering getting in that text content, okay? Let your supervisor know if you get any questions, but that pretty much does it, okay? So I'm going to X out of that, and I'll see you in the next video.